What is door knocking? You have a list, or maybe you have a neighborhood that you're scouring, a neighborhood that you perhaps driven, or something that you see some distress, maybe distressed properties or part of your list. And you are literally going in person and door knocking these people and pretty much just getting that face to face and seeing if they're looking to sell.
How you doing? I'm the Lyft driver that you called to take home your girlfriend.
Door knocking is a very crucial skill to develop because there's a lot of times when you have tried other levels of marketing and you cannot get a hold of that homeowner in the house and you know that the situation is really distressed. Door knocking, having that ability is very useful because then you start door knocking neighbors, trying to find relatives. You become almost a detective.
Excuse me, gentlemen. Head detective.
You need to be very good at door knocking and dominate this skill because as an investor, as a wholesaler, as somebody that needs to generate leads, door knocking is a very crucial skill.